Princess. So we are just gonna go to, so we're here in the hospital today. We're here for visiting my husband today. So we're just gonna go to a shop quickly. Come on, please go ahead. Come on. So, ako nakabili na ng tubig. Balik tayo sa room. Ayan, meron na. Ayun, bili dito. Tsaka, what did you buy that new, Georgina? Princess, what you got? So, where? Meron akong snacks. Cheese. Has what you got?
My head, straight out my head.
What you got? So, meron akong snacks habang kasi patagal-tagal pa kami dito. Mamaya pa kami uwi ng bahay. So, tayo ng snacks. Watch where you going, Georgina. Georgina, that's it. It's quiet here, guys. Maaga pa kasi. So, maya pa ako uwi sa bahay. Okay. Stop running sa people. What you got then? You got Skittles. That's one for Daniel.
One for Daniel.
Get a check on.
Yeah. Come on. Mga alas 4 ako uwi. Mga alas launa pa lang eh. Kasi yung visiting hour is until 8 o'clock. So, maya pa tayo uwi.